What an interesting question. If we go by order of operation rule, PEMDAS, first comes parenthesis. Parenthesis can be solved simultaneously. 5 plus 7, 12 square, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. Next comes exponent. What about this 6 and 3? Should we multiply them? Because next comes multiplication. No. In that case, remember multiplication and division have same priority, and if both are given in the question, write it as 6 into 3 and then solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it first. 24 into 3, 72 is the final answer.